For this video, we're going to be going over the card inserts for the GameShell product line. These are the 4 finished sizes of available products. For purposes of all the sizings, we call this one our size 1, our size 1.5, our size 2, and our size 2.5. Assembly for all 4 of these is identical, just being able to make sure you're aware of the different lengths and the sizes is the only thing to keep track of, but the shapes and size of these products are very similar to those pieces. So for this video, we'll just be assembling one. We'll be assembling a number 2 size for reference. So you'll receive 2 bottom parts or pieces, a front and a back, and your 2 side walls. For this one, what I think is easiest is to assemble, put one of the bottom pieces on one of your sidewalls first. So you're going to take one of your sidewalls, making note of this flat edge on the top, taking one of the bottom pieces, and we're going to insert it like this. For this video, we will be using glue. We do recommend glue for all of our products just to help with the durability and lifetime length of these products to last longer for you. How you glue is up to you. We like to do a little more. Each of us here at Sandbox has their own way of gluing. I do just a little bit of dabs since we have a nice little fine dropper point. It's easy to do that. And then we will glue on the bottom as such. And then any excess glue, you can just take any sort of product like a Q-tip or something to get that off. So we'll do that for one side. And then we'll do the same thing for the other side. Again, just wiping off any excess glue that comes out of it. You can use a Q-tip or just paper towel even, just depending on whatever's easiest or on hand for you. Now that we have these 2 parts together, we'll go ahead and we will begin attaching the front and back pieces to this. Easy way of doing this is just getting some glue prepared on all the crevices where it's going to hold in. Then we're going to take one of these, and we'll just do one half at a time. Bring that in, bringing it over, now inserting it as such. Again, just a quick wipe down, remove any excess glue. Nice thing about Q-tips as well is if there's any glue like on the inside, it's easy to kind of just go up the cracks like that to be able to wipe those out. Flip the product over and repeat on this side. Now again, the instructions for all these will also be on PDF format on the website. And again, for all sizes 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, similar instructions. The only difference will be the length of the side pieces, which are these edges like this, and the lengths of the bottom pieces will just vary depending on the thickness of the product. But after that, there is a completed card insert.